Today we are making poha or paua, a hearty breakfast or a savory snack that you can enjoy with your tea. Dice your potatoes, add oil and water, mix, cover with plastic wrap. You are going to microwave the potatoes 1 minute at a time. Then stir. Do this for 2 to 3 minutes or until the potatoes are cooked to your liking. Keep the potatoes covered with plastic wrap to keep warm. Next, get your ingredients ready. Diced onions, green chillies, peanuts, cumin, fennel, half-crushed coriander, curry leaves, salt, sugar, lemon juice, and turmeric. In a pan, heat oil and add the mustard seeds. When they splutter, add cumin, fennel seeds, and diced onions, peanuts, and curry leaves. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Do not brown the onions. Next, add the coriander. I have crushed the coriander in a coffee grinder. Stir as needed and let it cook while you prepare the poha. You want to use thick poha. Thin poha will become too mushy. Run water through poha for seconds. Let it drain. I usually do this step under running water in the sink. It's important not to rinse your poha too early or let it soak too long. Otherwise, the poha will fall apart while cooking. I recommend preparing the poha like I'm showing you and only letting it sit for up to 5 minutes. In your pan, add your potatoes to the onion mixture. Add salt and turmeric. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure to taste the potatoes and adjust the salt if needed. Next, add your poha to the pan and your lemon juice mixture. Stir gently for 3 to 4 minutes until well mixed. Now is the perfect moment to give it a taste and tweak the lemon juice, salt, or sugar to your preference. If you desire a bit of heat, consider adding some red pepper at this time. If you're serving right away, then add cilantro once the stove is off. A bonus tip: if you're reheating the poha or paua, you want to steam it over water, like we cook dhokla on the stove, or you can use a Tupperware steamer like I'm doing today. Heat the poha in the microwave for 1 minute at a time. If you don't want to steam it, then you can always sprinkle a little bit of water over the poha, cover it with plastic wrap, and heat it in the microwave. Or sprinkle a little bit of water on the poha and then heat it on the stove. Just make sure to cover and heat. Remember to add the cilantro just before serving. Adding it earlier and reheating might cause the cilantro to wilt. As for enjoying the poha, it's best paired with a hot cup of masala tea and some spicy sev. Additionally, if you have them on hand, pomegranate seeds make a great addition to poha. I hope you all will enjoy my recipe. Until next time, take care.